Right, I'm on my last piece. It took way longer than I thought it would. As you can see, I've tried just about every tool in removing this off the support material. It's not stuck on there, but it's pretty strong once it's melted together. Definitely need these. So saved my eyes several times, and gloves of course, because I did slip with the knife, but luckily no injury. The what's it called? Deburring tool works well for the little lip you get from the build plate. Takes it off nice, and of course running around the inside of the holes. And yeah, very hard to see when you do it in clear though, especially when it's up the edge here. What was actually support material, what was it? For the holes, I just poked them through with a break the outside off first. I know this is the right way to do it. I think there's an art to doing this. I haven't quite learned it yet. So this is my first experience with 3D printers. I'll snap that bit off and then shove the rest through. Like that. And then just run it around with a deburr. Yeah. Alright, get this done. I'm excited to put this together now. Right, so this is the enclosure for the AD5X. It was 50 quid plus delivery. While you're waiting for it to be delivered, you need to be printing out these parts yourself, which are the guard and the top casing. I do them in two colours because I ran out of grey. And unfortunately, I thought I was buying a kilo of it, right? I ordered half a kilo. That was my fault. Anyway, I think it looks quite cool on the clear as well. It's all going to function. Alright, let's see what we get in the box. I'm falling out. Printed the hinges out in PETG. So a bit stronger and a bit of contrast as well. That's good, you've got all the bolts, that's sweet. Magnets in there and all. So it is the full kit. getting the film off, you start a little bit in the corner, press it down firmly, and you should, there you go, just about peel it back. Just need to start right to seal. Ah, satisfying that is. Leave that bit in there and put my glove on. I hope got. Hopefully it goes in there right. I'm anticipating it not though. Right. Let's hit those screws there. It didn't say to take them out though. So what do you do with that? There are the indents there for them. Let me check. It didn't say to take those out. Pretty sure it didn't. But I might have missed it. Let's have a look. That side. This is spool side, right? Let's try loosening all the way up. Pretty much is anyway. Please don't crack. Oh, it's tight. She's tight. Hang on. If you saw it go under here, look. There he is. See it? Okay, so to get these off, you need to take the back of your IFS off, and these little end pieces, because they are, because they've got the little grip thing on it, they're like a metal gripper. You can't pull them out, but they just quarter turn and they pop off, and they go in there, just a quarter turn. Don't try and pull them out because they won't. The harder you pull them, the more it grips. Alright, this is the bit we've been waiting for. I hope that's in shot. Oh, that's it. And the last one. Chop that bit off. And poke him in there. That's it. There we go. Loading in. Channel 1 filament auto loading, please wait. Okay, I need to get in the slicer and get it all set up. Looks good, though. They're touching. Those cable guides touching at the top. Let's see. No, it just missed. It might touch when it's moving around though. So this is it printing. I'm printing out a AD5X, you can see that. You can see that? There it is. It's much quieter with that one. And this is using ASA filament, although in the settings it only had option for ABS, so I picked that. It's the same temperature anyway, so yeah, much quieter. I can't smell any weird smells. Only a little bit through the side bit where the dry tube's going. Yeah, it's good.